I had expectations, man. I had expectations, and he's been underwhelming. He's been underwhelming. He's also been affected by injuries, and on the pitch, he hasn't been consistent, hasn't been at his top level. So uh, I think it's going to be up to the next coach. I think it's going to be up to the next coach. But for me, I don't know. You see, with this one, I'm confused because it's one of them ones where, okay, I know Kanyisa Mayo is a good player. I know on his day he's one of the best strikers in the league. But has he done enough to earn a permanent move? I don't wanna lie. I don't think so. I don't think so. And it's very difficult because you splash money, make the deal permanent, only to find out that it was not just a matter of form. The guy has fallen off a cliff. It happens. You send him back to Pelusidad, he starts scoring goals. And then you are sitting there like, I should have kept him. So it's very difficult. It's a very difficult one. But if I was in a position where I had to make the decision, firstly, it of course has to make business sense, finance wise. You shouldn't be paying 15 million for someone who didn't have a good loan spell, you know. But I take the risk only if it makes, of course, business sense. I take the risk to say, okay, let's sign him. Let's sign him and see what happens. Because the thing is, if we let go of a player like Kanyisa Mayo, I don't trust these people to go out there and sign some good players. That's the thing. That's the thing at Kaizer Chiefs. We have to settle for absolute scrubs. Sibongiseni Mchechwa is going to stay. Why? Because we won't go out there and get Cisse and get Mchiane or whoever. So that's why we end up giving undeserving players new contracts. But as for Kanyisa Mayo, I think let's take the risk. Yeah, let's take the risk. If it's something below 8 million, I think it's a risk worth taking, man. I think it's a risk worth taking. Maybe it was just a bad season. It happens. It happens to everyone all over the world. A player can have a bad season, but we don't know if this is just a bad season or it's over. He's fallen off the cliff. So a decision have to be made. I'd make the deal permanent and see what happens.